Check this out. This is Avila Beach. This is amazing. Look how many people out at the beach today. You can check out that camera over at 805 Webcams. They're a partner of ours, so we can show some of this to you on the air. Loving that. Let's take a look at another one of those cameras. So multiple cameras at Avila, thanks to 805 Webcams. 71 degrees still. And folks here on the north side still looking pretty good. How about San Luis Obispo? Still 74 degrees, humidity 25%. The winds, which were offshore early, have returned back onshore. This is the pattern we anticipated for the day, and we're going to get it again tomorrow. And in Santa Barbara on the Mesa, 70 degrees, west winds 9, humidity 49%. We are off the peaks a little bit. 82 at Santa Ynez, Morro Bay 68, Pismo Beach 68. So there was just a hint of marine layer. I'm going to show you the satellite coming up. Not surprised by that. We'll show you that. Now 86 in Paso Robles for a daytime high, 84 in San Luis Obispo, 78 Cuyama, Lompoc 81, 83 Goleta, Santa Barbara 87 degrees downtown, 82 degrees in Santa Maria. Here's the Coastal Valley forecast for Thursday, back up into the 80s after starting the day in the mid 40s. But you'll note we're going to get a little more cloud cover here. The upper level ridge starts to weaken tomorrow. The interior valleys, though, still back up into the mid to upper 80s in the mid to late afternoon after starting the day in the 40s. South coast temperatures, again, some low clouds early, then partly cloudy skies back up into the 80s, probably not pushing 90, and the beaches, another beach day in the upper 70s. All right, I want to show you the satellite picture. Take a look at this little cluster of clouds down here. Now, generally, the ridge has held a lot of the marine layer at bay, but those northwest winds in the afternoon have crept those clouds back in. And you get marine influence. We often call the marine layer just cloud cover, but it really isn't. It is marine influenced air. And definitely we're seeing that right now. It's cooler, it's a little more moist. And again, the ridge of high pressure is starting to buckle tomorrow as we move the forecast in motion. And bigger changes for the upcoming weekend. As some southwesterly flow starts to develop here, we're going to see more marine influence, some marine cloud cover as well. And then we have to watch this system out here as we get into late portions of the weekend and early next week. It's not here for the weekend, but weekend temperatures will be cooler. But as we get into next week, finally the model's agreeing that we could see some rainfall on Tuesday. You'll notice that in my extended forecast coming up. After that, it's a bit of a wait. And if you've been watching me the last few days, I've been saying the models have been inconsistent about what's happening around the mid-month. Yesterday put this big storm up in the Pacific Northwest. Today, it barrels it into the Central Coast. We could use some rainfall. We're short on rainfall, but it's so far away. It's just kind of wishful thinking at this point, but stay tuned. I've got my eyes on it. Look at the temperatures, low 80s again tomorrow, mid 80s in the interior valleys, Lompoc into the mid 70s, north coast temperatures in the 70s, Avila Beach nearly 80. 80 in Atascadero, 86 in San Miguel. Moving a little further south, let's check out some beach temperatures. 75 in Guadalupe, 78 at Pismo, 76 Los Osos, 81 in California Valley. Santa Ynez Valley temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Goleta 80, 77 in Carpinteria. In the extended forecast, as we anticipated, a little cooler heading into the weekend. I'll answer this question again. This means low cloud cover, but you can see the sun on top of that, so we anticipate some clearing there. And moving into the 7-day forecast, you'll note I did put the rainfall in on Tuesday with much cooler temperatures next week. Nina.
Dave, thank you.